Hello, civics students. I'm Mr. Snowbeck. I'm your civics teacher this trimester. I'm out for a walk trying to get in shape for the trimester. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun. I just want to be prepared for it. I've grown a COVID beard because I know this is going to be a time where I got to look tough and work through some hard things. I'm excited to meet y'all. I'm going to walk you through a few things that are going to help you be successful this trimester. And I can't wait to meet you guys. Let's take a quick look at the calendar. This is going to be the spot that you turn to every single day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Every single day you come to the calendar first. Doesn't matter if you have me in class that day or not. Turn your iPad so it's vertical. So if you can look at our calendar, there's a link in Schoology on the first page of civics. And the first thing you can see is there's a link to our Zooms. I try to put it on every day that we have class, so you can just click on that and bring it directly to the Zoom. Hopefully, we'll cover most of the stuff on the welcome video, but you should watch it anyways because it's riveting. It's so exciting. You should read the syllabus at some point today. Look at the distance learning expectations. We'll talk about Zoom protocol. We'll talk about Mars and how the government impacts your life. And finally, we're going to take notes on the foundations of government. So that's what we're going to do on Monday. On Tuesday, you can see that you're going to read pages 42 to 45 and fill out your study guide at the same exact time. Anything in red means you have to do something that day. So fill out the study guide as you read the pages. And some of the stuff we're not going to cover in class. In fact, most of the stuff on that study guide in the middle, we're not going to cover. You're going to pull it out of your reading. So that's very important. Then you can see here's your study guide. So you can open it up, put it in Notability, and start filling it out. On Wednesdays, it will be usually work on study guide or read your pages that you need to do. Look on Thursday then, there's the Zoom link. You can have some more study guide information, and we're going to take notes on Articles of Confederation. Then on Friday, fill out the study guide again, but important here is a Schoology quiz. That Schoology quiz will be open from 2 days normally, but if it's over a weekend, sometimes they keep it open through Sunday. So make sure that you're staying up with your Schoology quizzes. If you take them late, they'll be half credit, so get them done on time. I just want you to see that always go to Schoology, click on the calendar every single day. You're going to have stuff to do in class, even if you're not in class. So this will give you the guidelines and what to do for that day. The last thing I want to talk about is know that I always have your back. I'm going to help support you through this whole process. If you have anything going on with your family, something's wrong, please contact me through Schoology. I will help you out. I will help you figure out your homework, those type of things. It's always better to contact me than have radio silence. So send me a Schoology message. I will help you out. If you have problems with technology, I'll make it right. Get a hold of me through Schoology, and I will help you out through the process. Always answer my Schoology messages so I know that you're aware that you're getting them and that where you're at. Like if you have something going on at home where you're not able to accomplish your goals and tasks, that's good for me to know that so then I can support you. Anyways, I can't wait to meet you guys all. It's going to be an interesting, fun trimester learning about 9th grade civics. Go Wildcats.